What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today I have two things in front of me. The company called TickTalk, they sent me out these smartwatches. These smartwatches are basically for your kids. You can use these for your kids for a safe smartwatch with GPS. So you get they're called the TickTalk 5 Kids safe smartphone with safe smartwatch with GPS. You know how it's important, how you want to keep up with your kids, and so on and so on. And this is a way you can do it. And they come in 4 different colors. Fun for the kids. Like I said, this is geared towards your kids, niece, nephews, whatever. And we know a lot of people in the world have kids, so you can have a Sims and a network. So this can work on AT&T's network, T-Mobile's network, and then it says no Sims included. So this will currently run you $159.99. I'll make sure I drop a link in the description. So I think they sent me over two. So we're gonna unbox them both and see what they look like. And I will be giving these to my nephews. So because this is nothing for me to use on my own, but it still has to do with tech. So, you know, might as well unbox it and then hand it over to my sister that has the kids. So I believe this is a white one, I think. I'm not sure. So let's see what this one is. Okay, and this, yes. So we have a blue and white. You get two different colors there, and I think the Sims are already connected in there for now for testing. I don't know when they will end, but you get a blue and a white. So the colors that you get, that these devices come in, you get a gray. Well, yeah, a gray. It looks white, but it's a gray. You get the purple, you get the blue, and then you get the lime. So first, let's open up this one here. Comes in this nice little packaging. It says TickTalk 5, and this is their website if you want to go there for yourself. You open it up like so. And I like that these have different colors because kids like to have colorful things, you know, as kids. They like colorful things, solid colored things. So everything is in here. This is what this watch looks like. This is the white variant, the gray or whatever they're calling it, which looks really, really nice. Like I said, these are geared towards kids, so they are kid friendly. It says it has a pre-installed AT&T Sims, so follow quick start guide for activating before use. You can get a new, it tells you if you need a new strap, shop at myticktalk.com for replacements. But this is what the gray watch is gonna look like. So it has the camera at the top, speaker, it says TickTalk, your power button. This is for emergency calls, so you can lock this so they're not using it. So here is the gray one. I'm gonna say white even though it's gray, but here is the white one. Now let's open up the blue one. And my sister will be very grateful for me getting these devices for her kids to check out. This is the blue one. So one kid I have gray, one kid I have blue. Basically they have the exact same screens, and they're nice for a kid. I'm not going to put this on my wrist because I have a fat wrist and these are geared towards kids, but those are what the two watches are going to look like. And then you get your instructions here. So you get a screw, and then this is your cable. This is how you are going to charge up the watch. I believe you will put this on the back of your watch here to connect it. Let's see here. You'll put it on the back somewhere to connect it. That is what that looks like. They also have a nice dock, but that is sold separately, and it looks like a little monster dock for your kids to set up and use if that's something that you are into. Yeah, so here is the dock. They did not send me the dock, but that's nice though. If you want to go purchase the dock online, you can go purchase that. So I will put this in back in here so my sister can go purchase the dock if that's something that she wants to get into. They just asked me how many watches would I like, and I said two. You know, it's only right to say two if you have two different kids. So we're going to put that back in here for now, and we're going to see if we can get one of these watches paired up, not two of them, but let's just try to get one of them paired up. Okay, so let's see if we can get this white one paired up real quick, or see if it has any juice. If it doesn't have, there you go, it has juice. This is a card. It pretty much just says, "Dear TickTalkers, welcome to the TickTalk family. With your new device, let's create moments full of smiles and secure connections. Thank you for choosing us. We are dedicated to enrich your experience with joy and safety. Warmly, the TickTalk team." So you can set up English. Do you want to select English? Yes. And pretty much, look at that. That is very that is very kid friendly, because this is geared towards kids, like I said. And then you would have to go scan the QR code to activate your pre-installed sims. So I'm going to get this. If that's something that she wants to pay for, she can pay for it. I just got the watches because, you know, they asked me, you know, would I be willing to review their products, you know, and they sent me over the two watches. But if you don't want to buy the plan, I believe you could just use this as Wi-Fi based, but then that kind of defeats the purpose. But yes, it does have Wi-Fi, so you can use this as Wi-Fi. So if you pay for the plan, then you'll be able to have text. Your kid will be able, since this watch has not been paired, so you can pair it to Bluetooth, whatever phone you have. The kid will be able to do FaceTiming little videos with you. It'll have contacts. They'll get access to battery died. So now we switched over to my phone. But like I was saying, you'll be able to have access to contacts if you get the plan. Send little emojis. You can send emojis, but you have to get this connected. You do have access to running your camera. As you can see yourself to take pictures. Not bad. What is this here? This is your gallery. I think this is like email. All these other little features, tracking steps, calendar, so they can know the date and the time, calculator, you get your settings. As you can see, it says about me, pair, your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, home screen, sound modes, time, reset, clear catches, backups. So like I said, this is a full-blown smartwatch, but it's just for the little kids out there. And you get this little cool little guy here for your telling the time. That's a panda. So the white one has a panda bear on it, and the black one has an elephant. I mean, and the blue one comes with the elephant. So let's cut that one on real quick. You know, I'm really sorry about my camera dying. I didn't know my battery was that dead. But we're going to improvise. So just bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. But like I said, these are some nice little smartwatches just for kids. This is where your notifications come in. You slide up, you get all of your information. Right now the battery's at 73%. And I'm going to put these on the charger, so when I give them to them, they can use them if they want to use them. If she wants to go set them up a plan, that's on her, not on me. You know, I'm just the tech reviewer. I'm not going to pay for the plan. That's something she can do if she wants to do that. But overall, these are nice little devices for your kids. Like I said, I had to get two of them because it's two kids. I didn't want to just get one and then, you know, the kids, one kid has one and one kid doesn't. So I hope you found this video helpful. I will catch you in the next video. I'll make sure I drop a link in the description so where you can go pick these up for yourself. And I'm out.